Good morning to all. I think all of you are safe though. Do you remember what we have taken in the previous class? We have discussed about the decision of Hitchcock to make a cinema with a lots of birds, especially ravens. And for that he placed notices everywhere in United States. At last he got large numbers of trained ravens and completed his work. But in this time, we use modern technology instead of using real animals. Modern men are able for these techniques, doing these techniques. And they are able to visualize the animals with the support of technology. Computer graphics helped them and gave protection to the scene and give protection and perfection to the fight scene. But think about the late 1960s, that period in which Ray directed films. Huh? Once he decided to shoot a film using a tiger, what could have he done to get a tiger? No scope of a computer graphics or visual effect as in nowadays, as in Pulimurugan. Yes, a tiger. How did he manage to get that a tiger? What we have to face the difficulties. Like that, he had to face so many difficulties to find the answer. We have to read the text. Page number 45. Yes, a dog might be difficult, not impossible to handle. What was one supposed to do if there was need for a tiger in a film? We had to deal with this problem too. When we were shooting Goopy Gaina Bhagya Baina. In the film, Goopy, who is banished by the king, wanders in the forest. Banished means Nadgadatra. Wanders in the forest means Bhaga, who is also being banished. Bhaga is also another person from another country who was banished by the king of that country. They see a tiger and freeze. But the tiger simply walks about in the forest without paying them the slightest attention. Having thought of the scene, I simply had to shoot it. But where were we going to find a tiger? The obvious thing to do was to look in a circus, since they were likely to have trained animals. As a matter of fact, one called Bharata Circus was visiting Calcutta at the time, holding shows in Mark Square. We sent someone to make an appointment with its Tamil manager and then went to meet him one. He greeted us warmly and ordered South Indian coffee for us. The manager heard the reason for our visit, then sent for one Mr. Thorat. He turned out to be the ringmaster. He too was a South Indian, very well built, with the features somewhat like those of a Nepali. He was perhaps no more than 40. He showed us an odd scar on his forearm. Scar means Adayala, scar on his forearm, which had been caused by a tiger. We told him what we wanted. The shooting was taking place near Shiuri in Birbhum. We wanted to show a tiger in a thick bamboo grove. All the animals were required to do was come out of the bamboo grove, into an open space, pacing gently for a while. Pacing gently for a while. What is the meaning? Pacing gently for a while. കുറച്ചു നേരം അവിടെ നിൽക്കണം. Go for a while. Sorry, gently for a while. Looking at the camera if possible. And then go back. It is not easy to make a tiger look into the camera. That is why using if possible. Could a tiger from Bharat Circus do this job? Mr. Thorat nodded. How long will you need it for? Asked the manager. Perhaps a couple of hours for the shooting, I replied. But that would be in addition to the time it will take to travel to and from Shiuli. On being told that the travel itself should take no more than 2 days, the manager agreed to put the tiger in its cage and send it to a lorry. He invited us to take a look at the tiger. Do you think it's going to be easy to set the animal free in the bamboo grove? I couldn't help asking. Mr. Thorat frowned. I'm not sure. For what? I am not sure it's easy to set an animal free in the bamboo grove. ഒരു മുളങ്കാട്ടിൽ ടൈഗറിനെ തുറന്നു വിടുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അത്ര ഈസി ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കാര്യമല്ല. Mr. Thorat frowned. I am not sure, he replied. I have never let him out of his cage on his own. ഇതുവരെ ഞാൻ ഈ ടൈഗറിനെ തുറന്നു വിട്ടിട്ടില്ല എന്ന് സ്വന്തമായി തുറന്നു വിട്ടിട്ടില്ല എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എപ്പോഴും ഈ റിംഗ് മാസ്റ്ററുടെ ഒപ്പമേ പോയിട്ടുള്ളൂ. So really I don't know. What? Were all our plans going to go down the drain? How could we let the tiger's trainer be seen with the animal? How could Goopy and Baga be petrified with the fear if the supposedly ferocious animal was accompanied by a man? എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരാളുടെ അണ്ടറിൽ നിൽക്കുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരാളുടെ കൺട്രോളിൽ നിൽക്കുന്ന പുലിയെ കണ്ട് ഇതിലെ ക്യാരക്ടേഴ്സ് പേടിക്കുകയാണ്. ഒരാൾ അടുത്തുണ്ടെന്ന് അറിയുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് നല്ല ധൈര്യമാവും. No, we could not allow that to happen. Whom did Ray happen to get tiger? Whom did Ray approach? Approach means സമീപിക്കുക. ആരെയാണ് റേ സമീപിച്ചത്? ഒരു ടൈഗറിനെ കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടി, ട്രെയിൻഡ് ടൈഗറിനെ കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടി റേ അപ്രോച്ച് ചെയ്തത് ആരെയായിരുന്നു? Yes, the manager of Bharat Circus Company. Bharat Circus was visiting Calcutta at that time, holding shows in Market Square, and the manager warmly welcomed them when Ray reached there because he was a famous director. The manager introduced him to the ringmaster, Mr. Thorat. Mr. Thorat is the name of the ringmaster. He immediately called the ringmaster. Can you say what is the role of a ringmaster? Can you say that? What is the role of a ringmaster in a circus? Can you say? Training to give training for animals. To give training for animals. That is a ringmaster's duty. Ray needs a ringmaster because the tiger is a ferocious animal and he was not dare enough to shoot with a tiger. Ray needs a tiger to shoot his film Goopy Gaina Baga Baine. What is the name of that film? Goopy Gaina Baga Baina. Goopy and Baga are the main characters of that film. What do you know about them? They belong to different countries, but one thing was common. What was common among them? Both were ambitious musicians. Ambitious musicians. But instead of melody, they created cacophonic with their musical experiment. What happened then? Unable to bear their musical experiment, the kings in their countries banished them. Interesting, isn't it? Come to a point. In the film, Gopi, who is banished by the king, wanders in the forest. അലഞ്ഞു തിരിഞ്ഞു നടക്കുക ഫോറസ്റ്റില് അലഞ്ഞു തിരിഞ്ഞു നടക്കുക പണ്ടൊക്കെ ബാനിഷ് ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് കാട്ടിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയിട്ട് കളയുക ചെയ്യുക and he was wandered there and from there he meets Bhaga who is also be banished and they see a tiger and freeze. But the tiger simply walks about the forest without paying them the slightest attention. Even though it was harmless, whenever we saw a tiger, we are terrified, petrified. Then, that was the scene. Where was the shooting taking place? Can you say? Where was the shooting taking place? The shooting was taking place near Shiuri in Birbhum. What was the tiger supposed to do? What was the tiger supposed to do? The tiger had to come out of the bamboo grove. Bamboo grove means Mulangadu. Into the open space and pace gently for a while. കുറച്ചു നേരം അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും നടന്ന് അവിടെ നിൽക്കണം എന്നിട്ട് കുറച്ചു നേരം ക്യാമറയിലേക്ക് നോക്കണം അതാണ് ശരിക്കും സീനിന് വേണ്ടത്. The tiger had to come out of the bamboo grove into an open space, pace gently for a while, look at the camera if possible, and then go back. An easy scene, isn't it? Could a tiger from Bharat Circus do this job? Yes. That is the problem. Mr. Thorat and Satyajit Ray discussed the scene, but what happened? Then here comes the next question. Were all our plans going to go down the drain? Drain means പരാജയപ്പെടുക. നമ്മളുടെ പ്ലാൻസ് എല്ലാം പരാജയപ്പെടുവോ എന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. What made Ray feel so? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് റേ അങ്ങനെ ചോദിച്ചത്? Tiger's trainer should not be seen with the animal. അല്ലെ ഒരു ഫിലിം ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ സിനിമ കാണുമ്പോൾ അതില് ടൈഗറിന്റെ ഒപ്പം ഒരു ട്രെയിനറും കൂടി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഒരിക്കലും ഒരു പേടി തോന്നില്ല. കാരണം അതിനെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ അവിടെ ട്രെയിനർ ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അങ്ങനെ പിടിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് അങ്ങനെ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിന്റെ ഗൗരവം പോവും. ഒരു ട്രെയിനറെയും വെച്ച് ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ. Gopi and Bhaga could not be shown as frightened. They could not be shown as frightened if there is a trainer. The tiger was accompanied by the trainer. They could not be petrified. If this tiger accompanied by the trainer, it was not possible in a film. Mr. Thorat was from South India. He was a ringmaster. He had the features of a Nepali. He was well built. He was in his 40s. And the scar on his forearm was caused by a tiger. The next question. What is the name of the memoir? What is the name of the memoir? It is a memoir, the Project Tiger. Who is the author here? Can you say who is the author? Satyajit Ray. How did Ray manage to find a shooting with this tiger? Where did Ray manage to find a shooting? എവിടെയാണ് shooting place എന്നാണ് ചോദ്യം. Where did he set the shooting? All these sentences are in question form. Which are the words are used to ask the question? Which are these questions? What is the name of the memoir? Who is the author? How did Ray manage to find a shooting? Where did he set the shooting? All these sentences are in question form. Which are the words used to ask questions? Yes. What, who, where, how. These are the question words. Do you know any other question words? Yes. When, which, why, how many, how long, how often, etc. All these words are used to ask questions, and these are called WH questions. These are called WH questions. Now come back to the memoir. If the trainer again we have to see more, we have to go through the text. I will read from the text. You look into your textbook. Mr. Thorat found a solution. I will tie a wire around the tiger's neck. It will be thin but strong. If the wire was thin enough, perhaps it would remain invisible to the camera. But it was likely that the hair on the tiger's skin would be flattened by the wire, which would give the whole thing away. But if we found a collar made of tiger skin, fixed the wire to this collar, and then tied it around the tiger's neck, I said. In a village called Norton Graham, we found a suitable bamboo grove to film the first meeting between Goopy and Baga and the appearance of the tiger. Mr. Thorat reached the shooting location with the tiger. There were about 25 people in the location. A few local people took our permission to go with us to watch how we tackled the tiger. The cage on the lorry was covered. When the cover was removed, we were surprised to see not one, but two well-fed and robust tigers. I decided to play it safe, Mr. Thorat explained. If one doesn't get it right, we can use the other. What happened? Then, in order to shoot that scene, they were in a dilemma. What would they do in order to solve the problem? How can they control the tiger without the trainer? In order to solve the problem, Mr. Thorat found a solution. What was it? He decided to tie a wire round the tiger's neck, a thin and strong wire. Perhaps it would remain invisible to camera, but the hair on the tiger's neck would flattened by the wire. എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി, ടൈഗറിനെ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ഒരു കോളർ ഉണ്ടാക്കി ടൈഗറിന്റെ കഴുത്തിൽ കെട്ടി അതിലൊരു തിന്നും സ്ട്രോങ്ങും ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വയർ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നിട്ട് അതിന്റെ അറ്റം താഴെ ഒരു ഇരുമ്പ് ദണ്ട് കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ നമ്മളുടെ സർക്കസുകാരൊക്കെ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ടെന്റ് കെട്ടുന്നത് ഇരുമ്പ് ദണ്ട് താഴത്ത് ഉറപ്പിച്ചിട്ട് അതുമ്മേ കയറ് കെട്ടിയിട്ടൊക്കെയാണ് അവര് ടെന്റ് കെട്ടുക. അതുപോലെ ഒരു ദണ്ട് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് കയറിന്റെ ഒരറ്റം ദണ്ടിലും ഒരറ്റം എവിടെയാണ് ടൈഗറിന്റെ കഴുത്തിലെ കോളറിലും കെട്ടാമെന്ന് അവർ തീരുമാനിച്ചു. For that they made a collar made of tiger skin. Fix the wire to this collar. Then which is the shooting location? Yes, Norton ground. A bamboo grove. A bamboo grove in Norton ground. That is the shooting place. There were about 25 people in the location. When they came for the shooting, there were 25 people. Some local people also go with them. With their permission, they gave some local people the permission for seeing the shooting. When the lorry came, when the lorry with this tiger came, they were surprised to see. What did they saw? They saw 2 tigers instead of 1. What kind of tiger? Well-fed and robust. Robust means healthy. What did Mr. Tarat explain for bringing these 2 tigers? If one doesn't get it right, we can use the other. Then the shooting started. The tripod means camera stand, was placed facing the bamboo grove. The audience was instructed to get behind the camera and stand back as far as possible, and Gopi and Baga had to stay close to the grove. Here we have to stop the lesson. I think you started to prepare for the exam until we stop the lesson in the previous class. That is the portion for exam. Study well and write your exam. Then I am winding up the class. Goodbye.